It's a big frickin' deer. I got rattling antlers, gun, ammo, camo, coffee, change clothes. I think I am ready for Claire. On my way to meet my dad. This is exciting. It's been a few years since I went up north hunting. The exciting part is I get to go hunt public. I think what I'm gonna do, I was thinking, is tomorrow morning I could sit with my dad, film him for anything that comes up, and then, once he's done for the morning hunt, then I'll grab all my gear and head out onto public. Yeah, I'm excited. Got sound. Now what is your plan?
My plan is to be in the blind an hour before daylight and wait for that big monster buck to come out and shoot me a buck.
30 point buck?
30 point.
Man, this thing is nice, Jeremy. I need to come up here more often. Which bunk are you taking? Left or right?
The warm one.
I'm taking the one furthest away from your snoring.
I was going to lay here on the sofa. Throw some blankets on me.
All right. It is almost time for a little whiskey taste.
Little jimmers.
A little snort. And then go to bed. Get ready. Get ready.
Slow motion after the shot. It looked like you could almost see his breath coming out from his chest.
Yeah, you definitely double lunged him. Just
a little high.
A little high, but
Probably won't be much for blood. But it's fine. I imagine he's down within 50 yards.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. So, where was it standing?
It was coming over here.
Right here or further back? This is all blood. See him over there? There he is. Let's go get him. Dude, that's a tank.
Shit. It's a big frickin' deer.
Give me your gun.
One, two, three, 4, 6, 7, 8. Look how wide that thing is.
Dude, that is a white deer. Dad, it's ooey gooey time.
That's right.
I'll hold the legs while you get it.
How about if I hold the legs? Day 19. Right. 4. And left 4. Okay. Four. Were any antler points broken on the right side? Select 1. No. Were any on the left side? No. Have you seen a feral hog? No. How many days did you hunt in Clare County during the regular firearm season before you harvest your deer?
Not even a quarter day.
1 day. Next. Map. Harvest report completed.
So,
License year 2022.
how old are you, Dad?
I'm 67.
And how is your ability to use technology?
I'm learning. You know, it's
How easy was that to report your harvest?
very easy.